I'm here to talk this afternoon about sustainable fuels. Sustainable fuels, by this I mean fuels which are made from renewable energy and no fossil fuels at all. In Denmark we have the vision of getting rid of fossil fuels totally to solve the climate problems which we have in this world. And of course, small Denmark cannot do this alone, but we can start, we can lead. So in Denmark, we have decided to get totally rid of fossil fuels by 2050. Already now, we have 25% of electricity produced by wind energy, and by 2020, it must be 50%. And this vision is not just my vision, it's supported by the Danish state parliament and by the population. So there's really unanimous decision in Denmark that we'll do it, and we're building the big windmill parks in order to get enough electricity to do this. Of course, we need fuel for our cars and trucks and airplanes and so on. And some people talk about hydrogen there. We have hydrogen as a mediator, but we don't want to use hydrogen to a large extent because it's too difficult to handle. Instead, we try to make this, we call it green fuel or sustainable fuel, where we take CO2 and steam and we electrolyze it together in a special electrolyzer called a solid oxide electrolyzer. And by this we can make what is called synthesis gas, which we again can turn into either natural gas, we will then call green natural gas because no fossil in it, and we can make all kind of fuels this way. So, in fact, many people think it must be difficult to make wind energy, the wind into gasoline, but this is possible, in fact, and technically it's been possible many years. The big job we have is to make it cheap enough and to show the world that this can be done, and then we're sure everybody will do it. And especially in Europe, I think there is a good support for this kind of procedure, this kind of solution of energy problems in the future.